Alright, so what is going on, my wellness warriors? Today I want to talk to you guys about the 3 most important nutrients for fat loss, and they're not what you think. I'm talking about fiber, water, and protein. Eating fibrous foods that contain a lot of water are going to keep you full on less calories. It's important to make sure that the foods that you're eating when you're trying to lose weight have a low caloric density, meaning that they contain less calories for their weight. You want to think salad, you want to think watermelon, fruits, apples, oranges, all vegetables, foods with lower calorie density are normally going to contain loads of water. Also very important to try to make sure that you're getting a majority of your carbohydrates from complete complex carbohydrates rather than simple sugars. You want to think sweet potato, oatmeal, things like this. These foods are gonna contain fiber, which is gonna swell up in your gut and it's gonna keep you fuller for longer. Also, water, and more water. Water is a magical nutrient. Did you get that? Because it contains no calories. You can drink as much water as you want and you don't have to worry about it because it contains no energy. If you're drinking a ton of water like me, 1 to 2 gallons a day, be mindful. You want to make sure that you're putting in some sodium, maybe some pink Himalayan sea salt in there with the water, especially if you do intermittent fasting. That's going to help you keep your energy levels and stuff like that, because normally when you fast, that's what happens, is your electrolytes become depleted. Try to have a glass of water with each meal. Drink a glass 30 minutes before, 30 minutes after, and make sure that you're drinking room temperature water, because cold water might make digesting your warm food kind of harder. So just be mindful of that. Also, to go along with water, tea. Drink as much tea as you want, as long as you don't add any sugar or creamer in there. Personally, I like to add just a slice of lemon, a slice of ginger or turmeric, and it's gonna make a nice, hot, refreshing drink with a nice flavor, and it's kind of different from your water. Kind of gives you a break from that. Tea also has many health benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, polyphenol, plant nutrients, which can be cleansing and a detox in its own. You don't have to go out there and buy that $40 detox tea. Just go to the local supermarket, get you some tea. You can get the detox tea if you want, like green tea. It also goes along great with meals. I drink tea with my meals, and I like to drink tea every hour of the day, man. Especially just nice to have that flavor. Even if I'm drinking coffee, I also go ahead and grab some tea. Just a nice flavor, and it's also just a great thing to have into your nutritional regimen. Protein is going to be good for you because of the high TEF, which is thermic effect of food. Because protein contains nitrogen, your digestive system has to work a lot harder to digest this and process it, which is a good thing because that's going to raise your metabolism. It's going to make you burn more calories than had you not eaten that protein. So when I'm talking protein, I'm talking about lean cuts of meat, fish, lamb, chicken, venison. Even pork and beef at times aren't so bad every once in a while. Try to add a high quality protein source to your fibrous veggies and your complex carbs for a complete meal, and protein in there and everything. And also, don't forget to drink the water and tea. All right, with that, enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ooh, it's kind of hot.